Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to a new video on Bitcoin, your daily update. We'll just do a quick update on what happened. I mean, not too much has happened over the course of the last 24 hours. Dollar strength index has practically been flat. It's still very bullish, so that's still causing quite a lot of bearish pressure for Bitcoin. But apart from that, yesterday, as some of you knew, we had some economic numbers in the new home sales. They were way lower than expected, which is actually a bullish, or that should have been bullish for Bitcoin. We also did get some bullish momentum in the evening, but in the end, I mean, it barely caused anything, right? I mean, it barely caused any bearish momentum for the dollar strength index. So that is really the main thing you should watch after these economic events, because that's the main thing affecting Bitcoin and not necessarily the economic events itself. So, but we'll do a full overview of what happened and what to expect from here. I'll tell you what I expect. I'll tell you the market structure. Hopefully everything you need to know. But that's what we'll do. Before we dive into that, I do want to remind you that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades as signals. I've quickly looked it up if I am able to type. I share my own trades as signals. We're having a very good week again this week. There's a chat room full of traders and a trading guide. If that sounds interesting, consider joining. Links will be down in the description or the pinned comment. Oh, excuse me, I just punched my computer screen. Hope everything is all right. But yeah, for now, let's get into Bitcoin. So overall, I don't necessarily think the market structure has changed that much. If you zoom out to the daily right here, you can see that it's still looking quite bearish. If we delete some levels right here, then we actually have a better overview. Those levels don't matter that much either. They're pretty visible on the chart. You can see that the market structure is quite bearish. I mean, obviously, Bitcoin has found some solid support right here at 25,000 and that entire area. But for now, it overall it still looks bearish on the daily. We're still making we're respecting the downtrend. We're making lower highs, and then on the 4-hour time frame, that same image is basically shadowed. All right, so the EMAs right now are practically flat. So Bitcoin could get into a consolidation from here, but it's but there. If we would see a consolidation, what would happen is that Bitcoin would go above the EMAs and not really respect them. And so far they have been respected. So we have to assume that the trend is bearish and that those EMAs are actually resistance instead of a gauge of consolidation. So that's what I expect from here. 26,000 is the main support level right here, between 26,000 and 26,200. It is it's a strong support level, but it's definitely not the strongest. Like it's not as strong as 25,000, by far not that strong. So in general, I do expect still, and that is the same as yesterday, that we'll have a bearish breakout below that level at 26,000 and below 26,200. Perhaps that bearish breakout is already enough, followed by a continuation down to this level right here around 25,700 / 25,500. So I do not instantly expect us to drop down towards that 25,000 level again. The level just above there has actually provided a lot of meaningful support before that. So I do think Bitcoin will respect that initially. And then afterwards, we can talk about whether Bitcoin will drop down further towards 25,000 or not. But that depends largely on how it reacts to that level. Because like I said, the EMAs right now are acting as resistance, but they could very easily turn into something that isn't respected, and then all of a sudden it's the middle of a consolidation. So that could happen from 25,700. For now, that's something we'll have to see. We don't know. All right, we'll have to wait for that reaction. Initially, this is what I expect. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.